Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox UGC mobile. We'll start by understanding the fundamental requirements for creating content that performs well on mobile devices. This includes grasping the importance of efficient asset creation and user interface design tailored for smaller screens and touch input. You'll learn how to approach your projects with a mobile-first mindset from the very beginning, setting a strong foundation for successful user-generated content. To begin, you'll need Roblox Studio, which is your primary environment for building and publishing. For detailed three-dimensional models, software like Blender or Maya are essential, allowing you to craft intricate meshes and textures. Don't forget image editing tools such as Photoshop or GIMP. These are crucial for refining your textures, creating custom user interface elements, and ensuring visual consistency across your mobile creations. These tools form the backbone of your mobile UGC development. Optimizing your creations is vital for mobile performance. Aim to keep polygon counts low, ideally under 10,000 triangles for complex items, to prevent lag. Use efficient texture atlases and reduce texture resolutions to 512 by 512 pixels or less. Implementing level of detail systems helps display simpler models at greater distances. Always test extensively on various mobile devices to identify and resolve any performance bottlenecks before publishing your work. Finally, thorough testing is paramount. Test your UGC on multiple mobile devices, including both iOS and Android platforms, to ensure broad compatibility. Verify touch input responsiveness, proper user interface scaling, and overall performance across different screen sizes. Once satisfied, publish your optimized content through the Roblox Creator dashboard, double-checking that all mobile settings are correctly configured. Actively gather feedback from mobile users. This continuous loop of improvement is key to successful and engaging user-generated content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.